We're going to start by opening up our Nexus program. You'll find the icon located on your desktop. Our next step would be to go ahead and open up our platen that we're going to use to print with. I'm going to go ahead and select the 3 adult. Now to open up an image, you have 2 options. You can go to File and then Open, or click the Open Folder icon. I'm going to click the Open Folder icon. From there, find the location of the file you would like to open. Mine's located on the desktop, and I'm going to go ahead and open the sample print one and click Open. Once your image is opened, it'll open in its own individual window and over here on the composites. From here, I'm going to click on the page layout window. Let me make some room here. And then you're going to go ahead and click and drag the image over to the first platen, or which platen you would like to print off of. Now you may have noticed that the image is bigger than our platen or our print area, so we're going to go ahead and resize it. There's 2 ways to do this. There's manually using the RIP window here located on the right by clicking on the custom and actually inputting what size you would like the width and height. Or you go ahead and hold the control button on your keyboard and left click on the image 2 times, and you can go ahead and resize it, and a window will pop up and tell you what size you're actually dragging it to. Once you like the desired height and width, go ahead and hit the enter button, and then there it is. From here, we're going to go ahead and move the image to where we like it printed at. You can do so using your control button on your keyboard, holding that down and left clicking on the image and dragging it to the desired location. Once it's there, go ahead and let go. And that looks pretty good from there. The second option to do this would be to go to the position in inches on the RIP. You can go ahead and select up from the drop down different locations that are on the platen, or you can go to custom and manually type in how many inches that you would like it to be at. From here, I'm just going to go ahead and print from the center. Now be careful to make sure that your neck of your shirt is orientated to where your image is. To rotate the image, you can use these 3 buttons up top that actually will counter clockwise, clockwise, and 180 degrees turn the image. And the clockwise is by 90 degrees and the counterclockwise is by 90 degrees as well. From here, this looks pretty good, and I do want this to print on a white shirt, but if I would like to change the color of the shirt to print on, click the platen with the right click on your mouse, go to Job Print Setup, and select the desired background type settings. For this one, white is okay. Once I'm satisfied with my settings, I can go ahead and click the print button. Once the print has done printing and is located in the queue manager, it will state that the print is done. From here, we can actually see how long the image took to print and how much that image cost. You can go ahead and do that by clicking the plus tab under the job info and go into total ink costs, which for this image it costs 32 cents on a white shirt to print.